Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Widi Mutakin. In this online course, you will learn Microsoft Excel from the zero level to the expert level in the shortest time possible through an easy learning process. I designed the curriculum very carefully to maximize its effectiveness. After learning from this course, inshallah, you will have real and applicable competencies that can be utilized to skyrocket your business or your career. I am an entrepreneur who also an academic lecturer in the information system and computer graphics fields. By the time I record this video, I have more than 50,000 students globally around the world. In terms of formal education, I have a bachelor's degree in IT with a concentration in software development. I also have a master's degree in business management as well as information systems. For more than 20 years, I have been using Microsoft Excel for a variety of needs, be it for business or for academic purposes. I used Excel for bookkeeping or finance, student data management, academic research, project management, data analysis, and so on. There are tons of things that you will learn in this online course. It will be too long to explain all of them in this short video. To see the details, you can check the curriculum section of this course. I will only explain some of them briefly in this video. In the first chapter, you will get to know the basics of Microsoft Excel, such as how to work with files, exploring the user interface, how to navigate, and so on. Then, you will learn the basics of working with data in Excel, such as using autofill, using formulas, understanding different types of copy and paste, learn to use various types of cell references, from the simplest to the complex ones, and so on. Next, you will learn the ins and outs of data presentation in Excel, from formatting basic text, numbers, cells, borders, effects, styles, then learn various techniques for structuring the table. In the next section, you will learn about various things related to graphics, such as inserting and managing image files, creating shape and text box objects, creating smart art, creating charts, and also sparklines. In the next chapter, we will discuss advanced data processing techniques. We will discuss things like notes, comments, find and replace techniques, data sorting, filters, freeze pane, and so on. Then after that, we will discuss in detail everything related to tables, pivot tables, and how to combine the two features. We'll also cover a variety of conditional formatting features from the basic examples to more complex ones. And in the final chapter, we will cover different techniques related to printing and exporting, such as defining print areas, managing headers and footers, data protection, exporting to PDF or XPS, etc. So join this course now and become the master of Excel. Wassalamualaikum.